Looking for the best electric skillets. In this video we look at some of the top 3 electric skillets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. Number 3. 14-inch Rapid. Large 20 cup capacity. Rapid heat. Tempered glass lid. Backed by 1-year manufacturer warranty. Pros. Round design with a large capacity. Can hold up to 5 quarts of food. Heats quickly. Non-stick surface is easy to clean. Cons. Some durability and longevity concerns. Temperatures can be difficult to regulate. Exterior paint tends to chip. Bottom line. An electric skillet that offers a combination of useful features and some issues that could affect its functionality over time. Number 2. Presto, 11-inch. Ever-new cover is so durable it won't dent, warp, bend, or peel. Heavy cast aluminium base. Control master heat control automatically maintains accurate cooking temperatures. Fully immersible and dishwasher safe with the heat control removed. 120 volts AC, 1000 watts. Pros. Very affordable. Dependable non-stick coating. Cooks evenly. Accommodates large amounts of food. Cons. Smaller than its 16-inch counterparts. Short cord. Bottom line. Tops in value. A budget-priced electric skillet that treats you like royalty. Number 1. Longhi BG45. Embedded heating element. Non-stick surface. Adjustable steam vent holes for an easy steam evaporation. Easy to clean with dishwasher safe lid. Non-stick skillet base. Die-cast aluminium body. Pros. Off the charts in terms of cooking performance and features. Teflon does not flake. Dishwasher safe. Huge cooking space. Cons. Aluminium body can get very hot while cooking. Bottom line. Features and performance make this model a stellar product for a moderate price. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.